This is Batumi, guys. Wine testing in a castle in the mountain of Kera. We are at Chateau Iveri. We're gonna have a bit of food as well. It's like a specific fried chicken in a garlic sauce. So I'm very excited with that. And what I'm drinking is rosé. It's quite dark for rosé, but very tasty regardless. So it's a bit loud over there. And so it takes about an hour from Batumi by Bolt or Uber. It cost me like 30 quid. Yeah, 60 lari. So all worth it. Definitely if you have time. Even to sleep here is also a hotel, which is magnificent. I'll put the link in the description below. Actually, I saw another YouTuber coming here, so he inspired me to come and do some wine tasting here. It's called Danny. Got a lot to see. This chicken is really good. Light, tasty, not too garlicky. Amazing. Definitely order that. Village chicken in the garlic and milk sauce. So the owner is kind enough to show me the rooms. So I'm gonna show you. Wow. Amazing. So that's like a resting area.
Yes, resting area.
Look at that. Look at this bath.
It's opening.
Wow. So you have a 360.
Yes.
You get like a 360 view when you wake up. Imagine waking up to this. Wow. Look at the sunset. Very nice room. Showing us all the type of room here. Which is also nice, and it also has the bath there. So what do you think? Are you gonna stay here? Please. So now we're off to the wine cellar. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So everything is homemade. Oh, good. And how many bottles do you make per year?
Per year we are making 5 tons
5
of
tons?
liters of wine.
Wow.
4 different types of wine.
So two red?
Organic wine.
Organic?
Organic wine,
Oh.
no filter.
Oh, okay.
With
No headache wine.
Yeah, organic.
Organic,
Yes,
wow.
this is Satsnateli.
So what's that?
So we are putting inside the grape and 5 foods.
Oh,
Like
so it's the one where you have to step in, put your feet.
Historical.
Yeah,
But right
historical.
now we are using this item.
But now they're using
Yes,
the new
electronic.
technology.
Yeah.
It's faster like
Yes,
this.
more this.
So cute. Okay. Oh yes. Then we go back to Batumi for drinks. See you later. Morning. It's time to leave Batumi. We had a really good time here. I'm gonna get a train to Tbilisi. That will take me 5 hours. It was 30 lari, which is like £10. And apparently it's a very luxury train, so They are curious to see it. And the bus is apparently the same price and it's a terrible experience. So I'm glad to be getting the train. It's a very small train station, by the way. There's nothing here. It's like still under construction. It's even closed inside. So I would suggest to use the restroom before and just come here ready to board. There's nothing to be done. Make sure to have your passport with you, which I'm sure you will obviously have it. But check it against your name to make sure that that you're the right size, like on the flight. So this is our business class. Look, they have upstairs as well. I will show you that. But good news, there's a vending machine with not much in it. It's actually helpful if you need some water or anything. Alright, we have made it to very hilly Tbilisi. I was too tired after the train to update you. But here we are. That will be the end of this vlog. The next videos will be around Georgia. So if you want to see them, please subscribe. Up here there's like video about Batumi. And down here is my other travel content. So if that's your type of thing, just subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video.